Can you explain what XRP settling the back end of the stock market means? The easiest example I can give you of this is I'm sure you guys remember AMC and GameStop when they halted trading. Everybody was pissed off. They had to take their stocks back. Everybody complained about Robinhood. It wasn't any of the brokers' fault. It wasn't Robinhood's fault. It wasn't Webull's fault. It wasn't E-Trade's fault. All of them had to take stock back. There is no accounting mechanism across all of the clearinghouses and the brokers. There's 6 clearinghouses and then a bunch of brokers. And the brokers will settle up next day, T+1, with the clearinghouses when they sell a stock. So you buy it, they get the money. The broker gets the money. They give you the stock until that money's settled. If it settles instantly, there's no liability or risk for them. They could atomically swap a tokenized stock for, a stable coin or a tokenized deposit, which is how it will work by the end of 2026. Until the stock market's tokenized, they can't atomically swap, but they could still settle real time on the backside using the XRPL and Corda, Project Ion, like it's built. So there's no accounting mechanism across all of it. The reason that they had to pull back the games in the AMC stock was they oversold it. It was 139% of AMC sold. They had to pull it back from people because they shouldn't have ever even been able to buy it in the first place. And the clearinghouses shut off trading. They didn't even know that they had oversold the stock. They just shut off trading because they had fronted so much money on all these trades. And they were like, we know we're over our skis here. Shut it down. We're halting trading. You won't have to halt trading if you have instant settlement. The risk in lending that money out and waiting for it to come back next day is gone. So markets can move to 23.5 or 24.5. And then you'll have tokenized stocks. And then at that point, like I said, it's an atomic swap. This really almost over the long term, it removes the need for the DTCC. The DTCC is already a public good. They don't really make money. They make enough to keep the lights on and provide their service. And they're clipping some fees on every trade. But at the end of the day, like they're really kind of a public infrastructure, which is exactly what this will be. This will be a mainnet, a protocol that will allow for atomic settlement and swap on the back end of the stock market between counterparties that's riskless and real time.